Hello everyone. Welcome to my first ever vlog. My name is Alexis and I am a first year student at Laguna State Polytechnic University. And for today's vlog, I am going to talk about my experience as someone who shifted programs and recently transferred to LSPU. I originally took a edu course in my last college that I am attending, and I won't delve much on to my questionable life decisions, but the reason why I shifted program is because I don't really see myself pursuing a career in teaching, and I had to consider my situation at the time, especially my cost of tuition since I attended a private college. So from BS Ed major in science, I shifted to BS Chemistry in my second semester. It's been around 2 to 3 months since I transferred, and I am still in the process of adjusting in my new environment. And I'd be lying if I said it was easy because shifting programs is really challenging. First, I have to catch up on a lot of subjects because most of them have prerequisites, meaning that I have to go back to first semester subject before I could fully move forward. Right now, I am only taking a few classes in my second semester. Some of my previous subjects were credited, but I still have a lot to catch up on. On top of that, transferring also means adjusting to a new environment, new people, and new system. So if you're planning the same thing, expect that you might feel alone at first and there's a chance that your graduation will be delayed. It can also feel like you're behind compared to others, but that's normal since shifting really sets your academic progress. To be honest, I don't really regret my decision. In fact, I feel relieved that I am no longer pursuing something that I wasn't fully committed on. This experience taught me that I have to be more sure on my decision and take responsibility for them. And at the same time, it also gave me a chance to explore what I actually want. If you're currently thinking about shifting and transferring, I hope this video gives you a clear idea of what it's like. And if you have a questions about transferring or shifting, I will try my best to answer your question down below.